Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to add checkbox on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. The simplest and the easiest way to add a checkbox is to select the cells or the range where you want to insert your checkbox and go to insert here, and I will click here in this ribbon on the insert menu, and I will go down in this section. We will find the checkbox. As you can see, now I have inserted the checkbox. There is another way, is to right click on the range selected or the selected range, and I will go to data and click on it. Down I will find a button called data validation. After you click on the data validation, it will pop up this validation rules window or menu. Now I have to add a rule, and then in the criteria I will click and I will go down to the end and I will click on checkbox. After that, all I have to do is to click on done. Now I have my checkbox inserted. There is another way to do this operation, is by only right click on the selected area or the selected range, and here and down we will find view more cell actions. After you click on it, and you will see this little menu or additive menu, and we will click on data validation. Of course, we will do now exactly as the previous steps or the previous method. All I have to do is go to criteria and then go to checkbox and click done. So those are the methods or the ways to add checkbox on your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching and goodbye.